What's up guys, welcome to Blue Spring State Park in Orange City, Florida. About an hour drive from Orlando. So we're just chilling today. We're gonna go kayaking, just observe the wildlife, you know, we're just hanging out. So nice weather, sunny, a bit cold. Yo, imagine snorkeling next to one of those. The manatees are here from mid-November through March, and swimming and snorkeling is only allowed during the summer months. My boy just floating peacefully down the river. So we out here in the middle of the lake.
This is why I'm not doing any more water sports with you.
Why?
Because you don't listen.
Just don't drop my GoPro.
I'm gonna drop it because you're over here playing games.
Oh shit, that's in this.
So stop moving.
Look. Shit. His nose is hairy. Wait. So we just saw a first manatee. It just popped his nose up. So the man say we have an hour. If we reach back a minute late, he charging us for the next hour. So let me move there quick. Alright guys, so heading out there. We did a little kayaking, saw some manatees, saw one crocodile, well, one alligator actually. So you know, like the vid, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you later.